Hello, LearnPress users. Do you know that the LearnPress Quiz Importer plugin can import math quizzes in LearnPress using LaTeX code? Here is a demo. I presume you have already installed the LearnPress Quiz Importer plugin. Download the CSV template from the plugin settings page. Next, you have to fill out the quiz template. Write a quiz title in this first column. Fill quiz description in this quiz content column. Next, write your questions in the question title column. Paste your LaTeX code in the question content column. Note that you should write LaTeX code between opening and closing LaTeX tags. Put question tags separated by commas. Set marks for each question. If you need to explain answer options, fill question explanations columns respectively. Write hints in this column. Fill single underscore choice in the question type cells for single answer type questions. Next, fill answer options. Now, if you want to display math symbols in answer options, you need to fill in the LaTeX code representing the math in the answer options columns. Fill correct answer columns for the answers. If your answer 1 is correct, write number 1 in this answer column. If you want to assign courses, you need to write existing course ID. If you want to assign a specific section, you need to write existing section title. Now set quiz duration by writing number and duration measures in these two columns. If you want to set percentage of passing grade, write the numbers in this column. If you want to allow students to immediately check their answers while doing the quiz, write yes in this column. If you want to set a negative marking option, write yes in this column. You can enable the minus for skip by writing yes in this column. You can set how many times the user can retake this quiz by writing numbers in this column. You can set pagination by writing numbers in this column. You can allow students to review this quiz after they finish the quiz by writing yes in this column. If you want to display correct answers, write yes in the Show Correct Answer column. Finally, save your CSV template. Now, go to the LearnPress Quiz Importer settings page and upload your template. Your quizzes will import within a second and are listed in the quizzes page and also attached with the course. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. You can check the video description for more details about the LearnPress Quiz Importer plugin.